Okay, cherry lovers, we're up here on the farm right now. The wife and I, they're calling for a good 8 to 12 inches of snow. And rather than try to push all this stuff off, there's just a little bit up there right now. We've made some braces that we're going to brace the inside up down through there so far in between, trying to get it towards more of the middle of the high tunnel because it doesn't have the support the outside edges do. And hopefully we'll get enough support to where it'll hold more of a snow load than what it does. So less shoveling, less using my big old-fashioned Q-tip up on there. So that's what we're going to try to do today. So stay tuned and they get to see it all.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
people. I got them up here. Hopefully it'll support this major snowstorm coming. Trying to get some weight. If we get too much, I might up here with my Q-tip and have to push it still, but this has got to support some of it because we're getting a big one. So we're trying to preload and get ready for it. So that's what we're doing. Making us some braces here. Uh-oh. I didn't bring enough screws. I need 4 more. I need 4 more, love. Okay, people. Hopefully this snowstorm that we're supposed to be getting 8 to 12 inches with 30-mile-an-hour winds, hopefully this will hold it all. We got supports on both ends. They usually buckle in the center, is what I've learned and what I've read. So what we got here is just a simple bracing to protect and support the snow load. And you know, we had 8 to 10 inches up there before, but yeah, like I said, if we get any more up there, it's going to need support. And putting these braces in like this will support it all the way down through the middle. It'll take quite a bit of snow load now, but we're going to find out. So thanks for watching. Hey folks, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and come back and see us every time. Bye now.